the te form of verbs can be combined with the auxiliary verb aru to create new meanings. Number 1. The result of a past action continues to the present. Te aru can show the present state as a result of a deliberate action in the past. For example, おじいちゃんの死体が棺の中に安置してある。おじいちゃんの死体が棺の中に安置してある。Grandpa's corpse is placed in the coffin. In this sentence, the verb 安置する to place is combined with ある. This action was performed deliberately by someone at some point in the past, and as a result, Grandpa's body is resting in the coffin in the present moment. Another example. 洗面所におばあちゃんの入れ歯が乾かしてある。洗面所におばあちゃんの入れ歯が乾かしてある。Grandma's dentures are left drying in the bathroom. In this example, the verb 乾かす to dry is combined with ある. This action was performed deliberately by someone, presumably Oba-chan herself, in the past, and as a result, the dentures are still there for everyone else to behold in the present. Now, this meaning of te aru is very similar to one of the meanings of te iru. If you recall, te iru has the following meaning: the current state as a result of a prior event. For example, おじいちゃんはすでにこの世を去っている。おじいちゃんはすでにこの世を去っている。Grandpa has already left this world. The main difference between te aru and te iru is that in te aru, the past action is deliberate, whereas in te iru, the past action or event is not deliberate. In the above example, おじいちゃん presumably didn't kill himself. Therefore, you can't say 去ってある. Another difference is that in te aru, the subject tends to be an inanimate object, to which a deliberate action is done. In the previous examples, the subjects are 死体 corpse and 入れ歯 dentures, respectively, both of which are inanimate. Therefore, you can't say things like 妹が殺してある. This sentence sounds wrong even though it features a deliberate action, because the subject is a person. Yet another difference is that in te aru, the subject is the patient of the predicate, meaning an action is done to the subject, whereas in te iru, the subject is usually not the patient, meaning that an action is not done to the subject. For example, the above verbs 安置する and 乾かす are both transitive verbs and therefore take direct objects, 死体 and 入れ歯 respectively, which appear in the subject position of the example sentences. On the other hand, the verb 去る in the te iru example is transitive, but the subject of the sentence, おじいちゃん is not the direct object. Number 2. An action was performed as a preparation or as a prevention for something. Te aru can also show that something was prepared or arranged in the past. For instance, 妹が飲むための人間の生き血が買ってある。妹が飲むための人間の生き血が買ってある。There is some human blood bought for my little sister to consume. In this example, the verb 買う to buy is combined with ある. The buying action was performed deliberately by someone in the past, and consequently, the blood is available now for the little sister to drink in the future. Another example. おばあちゃんが凶暴化したらいけないので拘束してある。おばあちゃんが凶暴化したらいけないので拘束してある。In case grandma goes berserk, she is kept restrained. In this example, the verb 拘束する to restrain is combined with ある. This action was performed deliberately by the family to prevent grandma from wreaking havoc. Notice how the subject is an animate being in this sentence. The verb 拘束する, however, is still a transitive verb. One more example. お兄ちゃんには地獄の門の前で待つように言ってある。お兄ちゃんには地獄の門の前で待つように言ってある。My older brother has been told to wait at the gates of hell. In this sentence, the verb 言う to say is combined with ある. The saying action was performed deliberately by someone, presumably me, so that the brother would be waiting at the right place. Notice that the verb you in this case is intransitive. This is the end of today's episode. See you soon.